Prague, the city of 1,000 spires, is the capital and largest city of the Czech Republic. This city is home to 1.3 million people and hosts over 7 million visitors a year. Prague is a city where tradition meets modern. We sought out unusual modern art sculptures by the native artist David Černý, known for his creative and often controversial large-scale installations. Metamorphosis is a kinetic sculpture of author Franz Kafka's head, made of several continuously rotating metallic layers. Piss is a 2004 sculpture outside of the Franz Kafka Museum, featuring two mechanical men urinating on a map of the Czech Republic. Upside Down Horse depicts the country's patron saint, sitting astride an upside-down steed. This styrofoam sculpture hangs in Prague's Lucerna shopping center. Located behind the German embassy, viewers can peer through the garden gates of a children's playground to see a bronze Trabant, a typical car of the time, standing on two pairs of legs. This unusual tribute is to the more than 4,000 East Germans who stationed themselves on this spot while awaiting political asylum and the freedom to travel back to Germany. One of Černy's lesser-known public artworks in Prague is entitled Embryo, in which a pink blob hangs on a drainpipe on the facade of a theater. At night, via an internal light, it glows.